hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our unboxing. So, this is from Shopee. Unboxing from Shopee. So, wait, where my eyeglass? And this is shampoo. So, this is my hair secret, guys. Because no scissor. So wow, finally I got my order from Shopee. This is for my hair. So argan oil keratin hair mask. So this is for my hair, and this is for Botox. Yeah, Botox keratin. This hair mask can deeply repair inner structure of hair and razor. This is one of nice for hair for our hair, guys. Look at my hair. Yeah, and so keratin hair botox. This is botox. Yeah. Apply for this. Cormisic Professional. So this is a nice for hair. Nice for our hair, guys. Here's here. Here. I don't know how to pronounce anyway. Keratin hair mask. So this is keratin hair mask. Mask. So let me see. Good smell. Wow, I will use this one if when I'm going to bath. Enhance hair. So this is for enhance. Smooths, reduces frizz, and it improves hair smooth. Wow. Yeah, this is for secret for my hair. Thank you for watching.